Hi everyone. In this video I am going to explain the male reproductive part of flower, Androecium. Androecium is male reproductive organ of flower and it consists of one or more stamens. Stamen is a part of flower which produces pollen or pollen grains. Each stamen is made up of a stalk-like filament and a knob-like anther. These two are connected by connective. Usually, each anther has two lobes. It is called diathecous anther. Example, most of the plants. In some plants, anther has only one lobe. It is known as monothecous anther. Example, hibiscus or China rose and Malvaceae family plants. Anther is usually bilobed and each lobe has two chambers called pollen sacs. The pollen grains are produced in pollen sacs. A sterile stamen, which is unable to produce pollen grains, is called staminode. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of stamen. The stalk-like structure of stamen is called filament. The knob-like structure of stamen is called anther. Classification of stamens based on the fusion. The very first one, addition of stamens. Fusion of stamens with other floral parts called addition of stamens. It is of three types such as epipetalous condition, epiphyllous condition and gynandrous condition. Very first one, epipetalous condition. In this condition, stamens are fused to petals. Example, Solanaceae family plants, Solanum, brinjal and Asimum. Epiphyllous condition. In this condition, stamens are fused to perianth. Example, onion, asphodilus and lily. The last type is gynandrous condition. In this condition, stamens are attached to carpels, either throughout their whole length or by their anthers only. Example, the plant Calotropis. The second aspect of classification of stamens is based on cohesion of stamens. Cohesion of stamens in the sense fusion of stamens among themselves. This condition again classified into 6 different types. The very first one, polyandrous condition. In this condition, stamens are free. Example, papaya. The second one, monodelephous condition. In this condition, stamens are fused by means of their filaments into one bundle. Example, China rose, Althea. Third one, didelephous condition. In this condition, filaments are fused into two bundles and the anther remains free. Example, Fabaceae family plants, P. Fourth one, polydelephous condition. In this condition, filaments are united into more than two bundles, but anthers remains free. Example, lemon, orange and other citrus plants. Fifth one, syngenesious condition. In this condition, stamens are fused by anthers only, but filaments are free. Example, suncus. Sixth one, Synandrous condition. In this condition, all the stamens are united by both their anthers as well as filaments. Example, Cucurbitaceae family plants like cucumis and cucurbita. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of cohesion of stamens. In monodelephous, all filaments are fused into one bundle, anthers are free. In didelephous, all filaments are fused into two bundles, anthers are free. In polydelephous, all filaments are fused into many bundles, anthers are free. In syngenesious condition, all filaments are free but anthers fused. In synandrous, anthers as well as filaments fused. Length of filament. On this aspect, stamens are classified into 4 different types. The very first one, didynamous condition. In this condition, flower contains 4 stamens. Out of 4 stamens, 2 are long and 2 are short filamented stamens. Example, Asimum. The second one, Tetradynamous condition. In this condition, stamens are 6. Among those, 4 are long and 2 are short. Example, mustard. Third one, inserted condition. In this condition, stamens are shorter than the corolla of flower. Example, Ixora musanda. Fourth one, exerted condition. In this condition, stamens protrude out of the corolla of flower are termed as exerted condition. Example, passion flower. The next aspect of classification of stamens based on attachment of filament to the anther. Here, stamens are 4 different types: dorsifixed stamens, basifixed stamens, adnate stamens, versatile stamens. The very first one, dorsifixed stamens. In this type, the filament is firmly fixed to the back of the anther. Example, Bauhinia. Second one, basifixed. In this type, the filament is fixed to the base of the anther. Example, mustard. Third one, adnate condition. In this condition, filament joins throughout the length of the anther. Example, ranunculus, magnolia, nymphea. Fourth one, versatile condition. In this condition, the filament is attached to the back of the anther and the anther can swing freely. Example, grasses. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of attachment of anthers to the filament. See how attachment of filament to the anther in basifixed, adnate, dorsifixed and versatile stamens. See those diagrams carefully for your better understanding. The very next topic is dehiscence of anther. Anther dehisces are breakdown into 5 different types. Number 1, longitudinal dehiscence seen in capsella. Number 2, transverse dehiscence seen in lady's finger, malva, aldea. Number 3, valvular dehiscence seen in barberry plant, porous dehiscence seen in tomato, and the last one, irregular dehiscence generally seen in the plant Najas. Up to here, the concept Androecium was completed. In next video, we can discuss the innermost layer of flower which is called gynoecium. Thank you very much.